If you're scared AI is taking freelance work away from everyday people, I'm going to show you how to flip that completely. Claude AI can write winning freelance proposals in under 3 minutes, for free. And most people have no idea this is possible. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact system to land your first paid client and build toward $1,000 a month, with AI working for you instead of against you. Here's what's happening right now on Upwork and Fiverr. The average job posting can get flooded with proposals fast. Clients don't read most of them. They scan. And most proposals sound exactly the same. Hi, I'm experienced in this. I've done that. Hire me. The client moves on. The proposals that win do something different. They open with the client's specific problem. They make the client feel understood. And they close with a question, not a pitch. Most freelancers don't know how to write that. Claude does. And that is the gap most people are missing. Step 1. Go to Claude AI. Create a free account. No credit card required. The free version is everything you need to start. Don't spend $1 before you've made your first dollar with this. Log in and you'll see a clean chat box. That is your proposal machine. Nothing to install, nothing to configure. The benefit is simple. The barrier to entry on this side hustle is $0. You're competing against people who have not figured this out yet, and most of them never will. Step 2. Find the right jobs before you write a single proposal. Go to Upwork. Search any category that matches skills you already have. Writing, research, virtual assistant work, social media management, customer support, data entry, resume writing. Then apply 3 filters. Filter 1, posted in the last 24 hours. Filter 2, less than 5 proposals. Filter 3, budget over $50, verified payment, and at least 1 past hire. Less than 5 proposals is the whole game. You're not walking into a crowd, you're walking into a near-empty room. Verified payment and at least 1 past hire means this client has paid someone before. That matters. The benefit is this: you stop sending proposals into a black hole. You put yourself in front of clients who are making a hiring decision right now, today. Step 3. Use the proposal prompt formula. Read the job description. Copy the entire thing. Go to Claude. Paste this prompt exactly. You are a top-rated Upwork freelancer. Write a winning proposal for this job. Keep it under 150 words. Start with the client's specific problem. Make it sound human, clear, and confident. Do not sound desperate. Close with 1 genuine question, not a price. Then paste the full job description. Then add 2 or 3 sentences about your background. Hit send. In about 30 seconds, Claude can give you something like this. Hi, I noticed you're trying to keep up with content creation while running your business solo. That's exactly the problem I help people solve. I've helped small business owners go from posting once a month to posting 3 times a week without adding more hours to their day. Quick question, is the bottleneck the writing itself or finding topics that actually connect with your audience? That first sentence does not say, I'm a writer with 5 years of experience. It says, I see your problem. That one shift stops the scan. The client keeps reading. The closing question does not beg for the job. It opens a conversation. And the moment the client replies, you are already ahead of most of the other proposals. The benefit is this: Claude didn't just write a proposal, it wrote a conversation starter, and conversations turn into clients. Step 4. Use the follow-up that closes. Most people send a proposal and wait. That is exactly where they lose. If you go quiet after your proposal, someone else fills that silence. So 24 hours after you apply, go back to Claude and type, write a brief, polite, freelance follow-up. Keep it under 3 sentences. Make it professional, not pushy. Claude can give you this. Hi, just following up on my proposal from yesterday. Happy to answer any questions or jump on a quick 10-minute call if that helps. I'm available to start right away. 3 sentences. That's it. The benefit is simple. You become one of the only applicants they hear from twice. In a stack of proposals, that follow-up makes you look like a professional, not someone hoping to get lucky. Now let's talk about the real math. 5 proposals a day. With Claude, that is 15 to 20 minutes of work. Win 1 out of every 10, and you're landing 2 to 3 jobs a week at $50 to $75 each. That's $400 to $600 a month, less than 30 minutes a day. After every 5 jobs you complete, raise your rate by $25. Your prompt stays the same, your income goes up. Scale to 10 proposals a day, and you can build toward $1,000 a month or more. The system does not change, the volume does. The benefit is this is not a hustle that burns you out, it is a system, and systems compound. You came into this video worried AI was shrinking your options as a freelancer. I want you to leave knowing AI just handed you a side hustle most people still have not figured out yet. Claude is free. The system takes about 20 minutes a day, and the only thing between you and your first paid client is one strong proposal. Flip it. Let AI work for you. Scale to 10 proposals a day, and you can build toward $1,000 a month or more. Same system, more volume. Claude is free. The system takes about 20 minutes a day, and the only thing between you and your first paid client is one strong proposal. Flip it, let AI work for you. Comment proposal and I'll reply with the exact Claude prompt template I walked through today. For more tips, subscribe to my channel New World AI. Learn and earn with AI.